I have a swatch video for you. If you follow me, then you know I uploaded some shorts of swatches on my lips of the Fwee Pudding Pots, and this video is going to be all about what I think of this product. First, let me tell you what this product is. This little pot right here is the Fwee Blurry Pudding Pot. It is a multi-use product. It is meant for your lips and your cheeks. And the company says that this is an easily blendable and buildable fluffy pudding texture that softly blurs and smooths your lips, giving lips and cheeks a blurred suede look. This is available in 30 shades. The shades are broken down into 6 color story categories by mood. And it has everything from pink to red and coral and even purple. So that's a lot. And the colors are go from bright and vibrant to muted and soft. And I have a range of these shades to show you in my swatch video. It retails for $16.99. I have 8 shades from 5 of the 6 categories. I don't have anything from it's called the hashtag Just Me moment, because those shades are very, very pale pink, and I don't think they'd show up on my complexion very, very well. I am wearing the shade Hurt right now, mostly because it's the last one that I tried on in my swatch video, and I didn't feel like redoing my lips and cheeks and foundation again to wear a different color. So that's the shade I have on right now. And if you're interested in seeing swatches and getting some tips on application, please keep watching. Okay, these have a beautiful, soft, moussey texture. They remind me of chocolate mousse, mousse au chocolat, mousse au chocolat, chocolate mousse, and it's very creamy, very easy to blend, very easy to spread out. Here, this is the shade Hurt, still on my hand, and it's beautiful. Now, the way I like to apply this is with my finger on my lips. I apply it with this brush, and on my cheeks, I just use my finger, and I put it on my cheeks before I apply any powder. So that's how I applied it in all the swatch section on my lips and my cheeks. I applied it with that little finger sponge, and on my cheeks with just my finger, and I like to apply it a little bit at a time and really work it in with my fingers. It's very easy to blend. It's very easy to layer. And for staining powder, I put it on just a little bit heavy before I powder my face. So, like this, before I powder, on both sides, just a little heavier than I'd like it. Really blend out the edges. Make sure that's even. I think I have a little bit more on this side, on one side and the other. So I'm just evening this out. And then I powder. And I'm gonna use my mineral powder and a puff. And I just need a little bit of this. When you powder over something like a cream like this, it kind of takes the color payoff down just a little bit and sets it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna set my whole face actually, because I haven't done that yet, because I did the swatches and I wanted to be able to get my foundation off and reapply it without it caking up or ruining my whole makeup look, because I am going somewhere after this and I need to look good. Use just a little bit more of that color to add just a little more right at the center, right there. That's it, because it's been diffused and blurred out. Just bring a little bit back, just a tad. Now, wearing your blush this way, layering this blush like this will make it last all day long. You won't have any issues with it fading or wearing off your cheeks. It'll look good all day. On the lips, the lasting power of this is, it's good. But if you eat or drink something, it will come off. And it wouldn't say it's a long wear, but it will, because it's a matte, it wears longer than a traditional creamy lipstick, like the Revlon lipstick that I reviewed. That one wears off really quickly. This one doesn't. And some of the colors actually stain your skin. Now, the thing about this is, with a finger, you can smear it, but and rub it in. You don't need to use that little brush. I like to use the brush because it feels less dry. It goes up the lips more even. This is the shade Hurt, and I will be right back. I'm gonna finish my makeup and I will be right back to tell you my final thoughts. I absolutely love this product. It is so pretty. It is available in so many colors and so many different shade depths. Now for a Korean product, that is amazing that they have dark colors, bright colors, really deep colors that show up on my complexion, natural colors like this one. This is beautiful. I love this shade. This shade Hurt is so pretty. I love every shade that I got. They're all absolutely gorgeous. The only thing is that the deeper, darker colors are a little bit harder to blend on your cheeks than the lighter ones. And the darker colors will stain your lips a little bit, which is a brownie points. That's just brownie points. So as this fades on your lips, I found that all the colors fade very evenly. So the tint on the darker colors just helps with that way it fades, because it likes to fade from the inside towards your lip line. Now you can use a lip liner with this. I don't like lip liners. I don't like that harsh edge around my lips. I like a very natural looking edge on my lips. Like my lips have been stained and worn in. That's the kind of look I like. I guess it's called a blotted lip. I think that's what it's called. But that's what I like. I don't like a dark lip. And this gives that effect, that blotted, lightweight, even with the bright colors look that I just absolutely love. So if you like this kind of video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.